1 potato. There it goes.
Starting potato, 6 minutes, 34 seconds.
I wish it was more complicated. Alexa has certainly now made a microwave more convenient, but we thought about other devices in your house that we could do that with as well, where Alexa could add value. And so today, we're also bringing out the Alexa wall clock. There's actually one hanging on the wall over there.
Homework timer, 40 minutes. Okay, I've renamed first plug to bedroom light.
Alexa, turn on bedroom light. It's that simple. It's been a little over 4 years since we launched Alexa. And we've told you that she would get smarter over time, and she has. In the past year alone, she's learned tens of thousands of new things.